If you are who you are in what you do and everything that you do, it's not hard.
What are the best habits that we need to develop to achieve a dream life?
The only certain thing in life is uncertainty, right? So we never know what's going to happen. We can always plan. We can always, put up something very detailed of how we want to get to somewhere, but there's things that are outside our control.
How do you overcome insecurity in every aspect of life?
We are the creator of ourselves and our lives. You have control of your life. You have control of who you are. So the most important thing you can do is really just focus on you and who you want to be, and just make sure that you keep going with that. And you've heard this saying, like, where they say, like, the bigger your dream, the harder the grind.